Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? Hopefully, everyone is healthy and ready to learn. Today, we will learn about relation and friendship. I hope all of you are active in asking and discussing. Don't hesitate to share your comments. If you are ready, let's start today's lesson. Before understanding relation, let's first understand what is a set. Okay, we have subject and object that can be paired. First, the subject is student and scholarly. The object is a favorite color. We symbolize the student as I, which consists of Ani, Budi, and Shika. We symbolize the favorite color with B, which is red, blue, and yellow. So from that symbol, we know that I and D are a set that can connect each other. If the two are paired, it creates a relation normally with Ani pride red, Budi pride blue, and Chitra pride yellow. We describe it as follows so that friends can understand it better. My name and lights, red color, Budi lights, blue color, and so on. This is a relation from the set of studied to the set of colors. The relations between the members of set A and B forms a relation favorite color based on. Definition: a relation is a relation between the members of two sets. A relation connects each element of the first set or domain with one or more element of the second set or domain. Let's illustrate. First, what's the following three foods are made from the same staple ingredient. Did you know that corn can be processed into various from any flours? Similarly, a set can be represented in different ways but still has the same meaning. Do you understand the relations? A relation from set I to set B is a connection between element of I and element of defined as a subject of the Cartesian product I multiply 2. In a relation, set I is called the domain, set B is called the codomain, C the element of B that are paired with element of I from the range or relation presentation. The result of the data collection is in the form of a table. Student Aisyah, favorite subject math and science. Student Burhan, favorite subject art, social studies, and science. Student Cynthia, favorite subject skill and sport. Student Durrahman, favorite subject English and art. And student Aiman, favorite subject skill, science, and math. Table can be paired is the y with the set I equal to or is Aisyah, Burhan, Cynthia, Durrahman, and Aiman. The set B equal is mathematics, science, social studies, English, art, skill, and so on. And favorite subject as the relation between set I and B. 1. A row diagram. Aisyah heard math and science. Burhan read science, social, and art. Cynthia read skill and sport. Durrahman English and art. And Aiman favorite subject skill, science, and math. 2 bar chart. Look. Aisyah math and science. Burhan science, Social and Art, Cynthia, Skill and Support, Abdurrahman, English and Art, and Aiman, Skill, Science and 3. Set of ordered price. Below is the notation using the set of ordered price method from set I to set B. Aisyah pride Mathematics, Aisyah pride Science, Burhan pride Science, Burhan pride Social Studies, Burhan pride Arts, Cynthia pride Skills, Cynthia pride Sports, Abdurrahman pride English, Abdurrahman pride Arts, Aiman pride Mathematics, Aiman pride Science, and Aiman pride Skills. Understanding function. Characteristic of function. Each element in the domain has a pair. Every member of the domain must be paired with x3, one member of the codomain. B. No element in the domain is paired with more than one element in the codomain. This means on input can be only one output. And C. There might be elements in the codomain that do not have a pair. Not all elements in the codomain must have a pair from the domain. Understanding function 2. Characteristics of a function. Each element in the domain must have exactly one pair in the codomain. B. No element in the domain is paired with more than one element in the codomain. C. One element in the codomain can be paired with one or more elements in the domain, or repetition is allowed. And D. A function can be represented by a clear rule or formula that links the domain to the codomain. Definition. Function is a spell type of relation that connects each element in the domain to exclude one element in the codomain. From the observation of 4 children, the data obtained is as follows. Child Aji, Banu, Citra, and Devi, 8 or years, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Height or centimeter, 110, 100, 510, 120, and 125. Year 5. Height 110. Banu 8 or years 6. Height or centimeter 150. Citra 8 or years 7 years. Height 120. And Dewi year 8. Height 125. 1. Around diagram line 8, 5, 6, 7, and 9. Codomain height 110, 115, 120, and 125. A. 5 pride height 110. A. 6 pride height 100, 510. A. 7 pride height 120. A. 7 pride 120, and A. 8 pride height 125. Two sets of ordered your effort. See you in the